Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you, the last of the month of July. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Warm welcome back to all my lovely subscribers. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel, for your lovely comments and your likes. I'm very, very grateful. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you, of course, as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So there's no communication, Capricorn, at the moment from what I see, but somebody has made a choice. Not happy at all. Dealing with the Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody doesn't want to play around anymore, it seems. They've made their choice, they've made their decision. They want to come out of this regret and sorrow and upset. They want to have a reunion, but the problem here is Capricorn, there is no communication between the two of you. Maybe somebody is very guarded now, somebody is not sure whether they want to have a brand new beginning, or they're feeling foolish, maybe they feel embarrassed and ashamed of their own behavior. So let's see, let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Capricorn. Let's see why these cards are out for you today, and what if you guys could speak to each other, since there is no communication right now, what that would be. Okay, so Capricorn and their person. Oops, okay, somebody is very excited to talk. Oh, okay, all right. So let's take a few more from here, Capricorn. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person. All right. Let's take a couple more from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person. All right. Okay, good to go, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, my mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. Like I said, somebody was very inconsistent here. I crave for inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realize my inability to put myself first let me down. And as you're my mirror, I feel I ultimately let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I don't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. Next card says, I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire, waiting for you. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. I told you, somebody wants to reconnect, reconcile. They want to come out of this place, but feeling very ashamed and very embarrassed. Let's talk and clear the air. No communication, but they want to talk now. I feel so much passion for you. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand. I need time. All right, Capricorn, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Blessing, guidance, advice. And the card I have for you is You Found It. The missing piece, I think, of their heart somebody has found. All right, so let's start your reading. Spirit, why is the Seven of Cups in reverse? Why is this? Somebody is not confused anymore. They know what cup they want. They don't want any other option. If they had too many options in the past, they've decided which is the cup they want. They feel whatever sneaking around or whatever I did, it's kind of backfired on me, because I think somebody's fallen in love here with one person. Yes, they feel like a loser now. Earlier, they were doing the mind games, they were playing, they were trying to make, too many people kind of fall for them and hurt them and play all these silly games that they played. But now they feel, I'm the loser. It's all backfired on me, because out of these options, there was that one cup which was mine. And I now recognize which that cup is. So, Five of Cups in reverse. They don't want to be in this regret and sorrow and sadness for the rest of their life. Now that they know who they want, they found the person that they are meant to be with, they don't want to now waste any more time. Five of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Five of Cups in reverse. Yes, they want to have a transformation. Oh my God, what a transformation. This is like, let's end whatever happened in the past and let's get married. I want to offer you everything now. Four of Wands. Unbelievable. They want celebration, they want joy, they want to come back, they want to rejoice, they want to reconnect. Three of Cups. Yes. Oh my God. Capricorn, if this is your person, you better give me a thumbs up right now. They have fallen in love, like I said. King of Cups. This could be you, Capricorn, as well, right? This could be you thinking like this about your person, or vice versa. But there is one person who's madly in love. They want to reconcile. They want to offer everything. They don't want to stay any longer in sadness and regret. They know who their choice is. But now comes the problem. Nine of Wands, Spirit. Who's guarded now? Five of Cups upright. Yeah, 1 second. Somebody has kind of blocked them. There's maybe their person has blocked them, still kind of feeling really bad about all the wasted time, effort, energy, maybe years, feeling devastated that things never worked out. This was a very imbalanced connection. What a waste of time and effort. There was so much love here and all spilled to the ground and kind of gone into some kind of protective mode. And they're protecting themselves, I think, by not communicating now. Eight of Wands in reverse. Protecting themselves against their person, who they feel is very passionate, yes, but little self-serving, and maybe this King of Wands is all about themselves, or was all about themselves and my business and my travel and my work, and look at me, and like never really settling down. So I think somebody is kind of trying to keep themselves guarded and protected from this very exotic creature, I would say. One more. Eight of Wands. Yeah, they wanted, or maybe this could be this person now who's wanting to try one more time. They want to fight for this connection one more time. There's a lot of passion. They want to now show up as this spouse, the person who's going to be the perfect person. This is my favorite, okay, the King of Pentacles, by the way, more than the Emperor. Emperor is like that regal one who will do the right thing, but the King of Pentacles is somebody who's settled, who's mature, who's going to take charge, who's going to take control of a connection, treat his person like an empress. So, yes, I think somebody wants to, even though there's no communication, somebody wants to now fight for this one more time. They're feeling rather foolish, very embarrassed, very ashamed. They want to hold on to this connection, but holding back from communicating right now because of their embarrassment of how they've behaved in the past. So why are they feeling like this, Spirit? Six of Wands in reverse. Why are they feeling like this? Six of Wands in reverse. Because now their person has become the Queen of Wands. Now they maybe seeing their person as beautiful and exotic and out there and doing their own thing. And they do want to talk, they want to communicate, but I don't think they have the guts. My God, this person doesn't have the guts. They feel there's too much competition around this Queen of Wands now. They'll have to fight for this Queen of Wands' attention. Maybe this Queen of Wands is talking to other suitors now, or moving ahead or charging forward in their own life. They're watching from the sideline. They're wondering how to beat the competition. And they're not sure whether, because after all this conflict that's happened, whether this Queen of Wands will give them the time of day. The Magician in reverse, Spirit. The Magician in reverse. Magician in reverse. They're not being able to manifest anything. All they can do is wait and hope and wish that they can get unstuck from whatever they're going through. They're waiting. Not being able to manifest maybe a return of their partner or something, but keeping it open, wishing, hoping, but not seeing any results. Because if they are expecting any communication from this Queen of Wands, it hasn't come. Kind of feeling their wishes are not coming true. Feeling, oh my God, the Sun card. Somebody is obsessed to find their happiness once again. They want all this past baggage to be dropped. They know who their happiness is. They're obsessed but very embarrassed, very ashamed that they went the wrong direction maybe in the past. Part of them wants to rush. They want to rush in yesterday and claim what is theirs. But they are a little afraid, they feel, because I think they've rejected this Queen of Pentacles in the past, not given them an offer of commitment or something like that. Maybe it behaved like this, very immature person. So they're a bit afraid to come forward, but obsessed. Because they know this is my happiness. Look at this, Devil and the Sun card. One more, Spirit. Yes, feeling so foolish, my God, Capricorn. Somebody is feeling very, very, very foolish here. At the way they've behaved, they are scared at the fact that they never offered a commitment. Now they're feeling rejected, lonely, bored, but still kind of trying to portray that they are strong or holding back. But heart of hearts, this person is very afraid, not being able to manifest any communication from this Queen of Wands, but they are waiting. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.